Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. I'm going to review the Skittles product. This is new. This is a test run as well as a review because I just updated my phone and it's got a new camera on it. So I don't know for sure how this is going to work. So this is kind of a test to see if it does okay as well as a review. So this is new. So it's a Skittles Gummy Fuego. So let's check these out. It says the spice meter is about like medium, it's showing. Sweet meets spicy. Natural and artificial flavors, soft candy. 100 calories. 12 pieces is 100 calories. Sodium, 115 milligrams. Total carbs is 24 grams. Total sugar is 21 grams. Includes 21 grams added sugar. Protein, 1 gram. Oh, there's different ones in here. I guess. Lemon is, let's see, it's showing back here the different colors and what flavor is what. So we might have to go through that a little bit. Ingredients: sugar, corn syrup, water, modified cornstarch, some gelatin, less than 2% of malic acid, chili powder, and salt, citric acid, tapioca dextrin, some natural and artificial flavors. Colors are red 40, yellow 5, yellow 6, blue 1. Distributed by Mars Wrigley Confectionery US LLC, Hackettstown, New Jersey. Made in Mexico. Let's see, lemon is that color, watermelon, strawberry, mango, raspberry. All right. Yeah, my wife got these for Jeremy, our son, because he likes these kind of things. But I thought I would try these out before he starts gobbling them up. Smells good. It's got a little bit of a sweetness and then the chili powder. I'm getting some watermelon and strawberry. Maybe a little of the mango. Raspberry's kind of hard to pick up. Yeah, it's got different colors in here. Just a minute. Let me get a paper plate because I need to pour some of these out. I just cleaned my phone. My hands are washed. I might have to put some back in here. That's why I say that. Lemon, watermelon, strawberry, mango, and raspberry. So there should be five different flavors in here. There's the greens. There's a reddish one. Here's these kind of a light orange. There's more greens. It's kind of, oh no, those are different. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Crap. There's a bunch of greenish ones. It's not really showing a green one on here. It's showing the raspberry is kind of a greenish color. You go over there. You guys are alike. You guys are alike. You're alike. The strawberry is the darker red one. I only got one of those laying out here. There's another one just showed up. Okay. Let's go with what we got. You guys are similar to... I'm just pouring them all out. All right, these ones, there's more of these greenish colors than anything. And the one that's got the green in it is the raspberry. All right, let's try it. This one here's, there's two connected to it. I got some seasoning on there, a little chili powder, a little sugar. Woo! Hey. Yeah, they've got a bite. Yeah, I can tell that's a raspberry. So the greenish ones are raspberry, but they needed to be a little bit better on these colors because these are the green. See, it's this one right here, where my index finger's pointing. But it's not as green on this paper as it is in real life. Not even on the front. It has orange in it, and I don't see that much orange in there except for some of the spices on there. So it's like, not tell you correctly, you know. But it's good. It's got a sweetness, it's got a spiciness to it. You get a raspberry type of flavor. It's good. Got some heat to it. Interesting new product. I'm getting these green ones out of the way. I'm going to leave one laying on the plate in case I need to go back to it. Man, there's a bunch of these greenish ones. They didn't really sort these out very well. There's only 2 of these red ones in here. That's pretty unfortunate. Jeremy's only going to get to have one because I'm going to eat one of them. So the reddish ones, they're supposed to be strawberry. I know, I just licked my fingers. That was a poor example of strawberry, if that's what that was supposed to be. I got a bunch of these mango ones too. So let's try one of those. That's a pretty good example of a mango flavor. Yeah, that's pretty good. Okay, let's see. I think these are supposed to be lemon, these lighter orange ones. Mm-hmm. Okay. I didn't see any. Where's the watermelon ones? That's definitely lemon. Let's see. Yeah, I think I'm missing the watermelon ones in here, which that doesn't surprise me. A lot of these types of products, they're not, yeah, that's another mango one, I think. They don't give you an equal amount of the flavors. I don't understand how that happens, but because you'd think they'd have it portioned correctly. These are good. I kept out one of the heavier covered raspberry ones, the greenish ones. I'm gonna go back into it for a minute. Yeah, wait a minute now. Okay, the heavier seasoned one, it has all kinds of colors in it, but kind of greenish. That's a watermelon. Okay. Well, you guys have fun checking out the different ones, seeing what you think. They're good. New product. The heat is at medium. It's where it shows on there, the spice heater on the front. So they're not intensely hot. Don't worry about that. They're good, but the consistency of the equal amount. Not everybody in the family, whoever you're letting try the flavors, is not going to get to try them. So I don't think that's fair. They do that same thing with other candies too that I've found. Like fruit snacks are terrible at that. Different companies, Welch's probably for one. I'd probably rate this, I'll give it an 8. If they would have had more equal candies, flavors and stuff in there, and the colors would have been correct. Actually, you know what? And I'm going to give this a 7. Because the packaging on the colors is not a very good example. Can't tell by that, so I'll give it a 7. So all the rest of it is just that they're good. That whole score is that they're good. The portions bad, packaging, colors and stuff bad. So there you go. Check them out for yourself. New product from Skittles. Skittles Gummies Fuego. See what you think. And thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.